Final exams. Everyone was panicking, except me. Why? Because I had a genius plan. I wrote formulas on a tiny paper and taped it inside my mask. I walked into the exam room like a spy. Sat down, teacher walked by, no problem. But then, my nose got itchy, like really itchy. I tried to hold it but failed. I sneezed so hard. The cheat paper flew out of my mask, landed right in front of the teacher. He picked it up and said, "Need a tissue with that?" I smiled awkwardly and said, "No, sir, I need forgiveness." 0 marks, maximum embarrassment, and now I'm famous as Sneeze Boy.